Hi, I'm Joseph Mark, the CEO of Publica, and it's my great pleasure to introduce you to a group that we call the Publicans. They've been with us since the beginning, back in November 2017, and you may know some of them from their social media on Telegram and Reddit, but they're really an important part of our culture. Publica means people, always did.
Came out, it's called Publica, Publica.
I definitely recommend you check them out if you're interested in books or this industry at all.
They believe in the authors, they want them to succeed, and they're going to help. They're going to buy books, they're going to spread the word. I'd like to introduce you to our community leaders, Dante and Alex, and they'll talk about what it's like to engage the Publicans.
Hi, I'm Alex, Publica's Marketing Communications Lead.
Hey guys, I'm Dante. I'm the Community Manager for Publica. So my real name is actually Ramon Pedregal, but I prefer to be known as Dante because that's what the community knows me as. My background is in investment management. I am a CFA charter holder, and initially I worked in asset management. I find that this has really helped me going forward with blockchain because it's all about the numbers ultimately.
My name is Maxa.
And my name is Eric. We are from the United States and we are Publicans.
My full name is Alexander. I was working in digital marketing all my life, and that's how I joined ScandiWeb and became part of Publica.
This is Marcelo and Felipe from Brazil, and we are Publicans.
I believe that being a community manager involves both educating those who are new to the project as well as managing the community. And from that perspective, I'm very happy to help lead the Publicans in the right direction.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Eric, je suis français et je suis un Publican.
My name is Pancho. I'm from Belgium, I live in Riga, and I am a Publican.
My favorite thing about the community is engaging with the community when updates come out for Publica. When updates come out on our social media, it really gets the conversation rolling in the community, and I love being able to engage a little bit deeper with the community when they're so excited about what we're doing.
I'm Lily, I'm from New York, and I'm a Publican.
안녕하세요. 저는 한국에서 전자책 사업을 하는 김성민입니다. 그리고 저는 퍼블리칸입니다.
The time in crypto space is running much faster than it's running in any other industry I can imagine. And so you have to do a lot of job. At the same time, you have to engage community all the time. It is a stressful job, but I like it.
My name is Michael. I'm from Greece, and I'm a Publican.
I see a very bright future for Publica, and this can be seen through the community, the engagement of the community and their excitement, as well as the authors that we've spoken to, who are very excited about what we're trying to do. I think that in the future, we will be making many strides, and I look forward to leading the Publicans through that journey.
我是中国人，我是 Publican.
I believe in future more and more people will adopt blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies, and Publica will help this adoption process, and eventually people will be able to publish and read books on blockchain.
Hey everyone, I'm Nick. I'm from South Africa and I'm a Publican.
The community, both authors and readers, as well as enthusiasts, are very important to the economy for Publica because they'll ultimately be the ones that are driving for change, and they will be the ones that are driving the increased user uptake in the future. Our vision is very much aligned with the Publicans, and because of this, it'll make us a very formidable force going forward.
Hi from Ukraine. My name is Laura, and I am a Publican.
If we want this blockchain revolution to happen, we need an army, and Publicans are our grassroots army.
We really appreciate the support that they've been giving us. We really appreciate the engagement and even the criticism. So please carry on, guys. Keep it coming. We hope to be bigger, better, and stronger for you in the future.